Ils parlent tous comme des animaux, de toutes les chattes, ça parle mal. 2018, je sais pas ce qu'il te faut, mais je suis plus qu'un animal. J'ai vu que le rap est à la mode et qu'il mange mieux quand il est sale. Bah faudrait peut-être casser les codes, une fille qui l'ouvre, ce serait normal.
Design technology teaching projects need a stages of making sheet, a bit like assembly instructions that you might get with a product that you buy, if all abilities of learners are able to fully participate. My trade and craft skills have been hugely useful in getting me through 7 years of university. I'm an architect, technical based, as well as front-end design work, but really specialise in the maître d'œuvre end of things rather than the pretty concept picture.
Voilà, je regarde les autres. Pourtant, je ne leur trouve rien. C'est comme ça.
Up a ladder on top of this tentative footing, even to take a disto laser measure, it's clear that you have to build the structure up towards the gable before you fix anything to the gable to keep the Mistral winds out of the voids. There's no sign that there would have ever been beams and boards over the whole of the top side of the arches. The hay floor seems to be how it would have been used. Round pole rafters are structurally weaker in their outer rings. Bark does welcome and harbour pests, but they are a better species selection. A lot of metre squared area is a lot of metre squared material costs. That's square feet to old people and people with 17th century values.